If you've been looking for something truly breathtaking, look no further than 10 Beanland Street in Casey, offering an idyllic elevated position with amazing views back towards Black Mountain Tower, quality appliances throughout with resort style living. This is a home that speaks for itself.
Just imagine the fun your friends and family will have here. They won't want to leave. We look forward to seeing you this weekend.